lots of Legos.
What is it called again?
A fact.
Hmm.
A fact tower.
Huh. That's interesting.
Yeah, we're trying to build a fact tower.
Okay.
Yeah, if you build it really high, it would be a fact tower.
Okay.
It starts with an F.
Starts with an F?
Yeah, pages goes fact tower.
Do you know how to spell it?
Yeah, let's go fact tower.
Okay.
Yeah, it starts with an F.
Okay.
So should we put these, stick them out? See?
Yeah, sure.
We can build it. We can make a roof too. Where should this go?
I don't know. Where should it go?